recording videos. What are the different types of videos we can record with Dubb Studio? Because we have our hook now. Now, what do we do in terms of recording? That's going to look like this. There are a number of different ways to record with Dubb Studio and different styles. The first style we're going to look at right here is the webcam style. This is recorded directly from the webcam. I have the Dubb mobile app on my phone, Dubb app, Dubb, has a little whiteboard where you can type a message, and that's all I am doing right there. So we created the hook, and this is one of the most straightforward ways you can convey the hook because it's right there in front of someone's face. Now, what you're looking at here is an animated video GIF preview. When you hit record with Dubb, whatever you're doing for the first 3 seconds when you hit record, that is going to be what shows to the folks that end up getting that video. Now notice I have a little bit of movement to it. When I hit record, I'm pointing and waving. It just brings it to life a little bit. Doesn't have to be a full-on performance, just has to be a little bit of movement to it. Makes a big difference. So animated video GIF preview. Now, you can technically inside the Dubb platform, yeah, you can use editing, you can upload your own thumbnail, you can move the slider to a different part of the video visually. But to be truly efficient when you're doing this, know that when you hit record, the first 3 seconds is what someone is going to see. So this is the webcam recording version style here. Now you also can do this from your webcam. You can record a video with a screenshot or a video behind if you'd like to. Now notice in this example, I'm not holding up the hook because I feel that the screenshot or the video behind is strong enough to be the hook. So that case, that is the hook. And if that's what you're doing, all you need to do is a little look back, little come back to camera. Something simple as that can make a big difference. Now you can do a combination deal where you can have the screenshot of video behind you, that is the context, and then you have the hook holding up in front. So hook in front, context in the back, gives the same kind of feel, a little more detail to it, having both options, but just get creative with it. It's nice and simple. Right from the webcam, you can create something that looks just like this, very impactful. Now you also can do this. This is a screen recording. Now this was done with the Dubb Chrome extension screen recorder. All you have to do is Google Dubb Chrome extension, 3-step process to pin this right up here in the browser, right up here at the top. And when you have this here, it enables you to record on top of anything within your browser. Notice here I've used some annotations pointing towards my bubble. Again, notice I'm holding up that hook for that additional message, and notice that I'm placed right next to the title of the article that I am sharing. So if you're looking to share anything visually in a very dynamic way inside of your browser, the Dubb Chrome extension. Now we also have another kind of screen recorder called the Dubb Desktop app. And if you Google Dubb Desktop app and download it from Mac or PC, you have some additional qualities here that are really cool. Number one is I can crop in closer on what I'm showing. Notice I'm pushed in here on the site. I can do landscape. I can do portrait. I can crop around something. You have a lot of power in terms of the borders of what you're recording with variety. Also, you can put yourself on top of anything on your computer with the Dubb Desktop app. The Chrome extension that I mentioned before is browser-based. This can go on top of anything within your browser. So whether it be a slide deck, a video, a document, whatever you want, it goes right on top, and it leverages the power of pre-recorded videos in a bubble as well. Very powerful piece of tech, but the whole idea behind screen recordings is whenever you want to visually show something and walk someone through something, this is what you want to use. Now we also have the Dubb mobile app. The Dubb app is fantastic for simple videos just like this. Very similar to the webcam video we talked and showed about earlier, right? Instead of holding up the hook, I could grab an iPad or something or another phone if I had one. I could hold it up and do that. That's fine. But in this case, all you do is just type the text on the screen and then it shows it right there and you got the hook right on the screen that you can move around. Something simple like this has worked very well over the years. Now you also can use this. This, same thing as the webcam. Screenshot on your phone, a screenshot or a video you want to put behind you, drop a little text on there, and you've created the same kind of feeling that you had with the webcam, but you've done it with the mobile. The mobile app also has this function right here called Picture in Picture. Now, this is perfectly tailor-made for real estate folks. If you're in real estate and you love doing property walkthroughs, this shows your reaction, you're narrating through. It's great. It's really good. It uses both cameras on the phone. If you're not in real estate, however, and you do any kind of local prospecting, it's great for that as well. You want to record the businesses, do a fun little video talking about it, send to the contact you have, that works. If you're at an event or a conference and there's a huge crowd and you want to narrate what's going on, Do it as a social post, do it as a video email newsletter. If you want to physically sit in front of your computer and just record something, someone's profile, whatever you show within your industry, lean forward and show it, and you're on the screen as well. If you're in person with a client, you want to do a cool little video testimonial convo, use a selfie stick, set this up, hold it up. They're in the middle, you're in the left, and you're having a nice little conversation back and forth. That is picture in picture on the mobile app. So those are the different ways to record. You have the webcam, you have the screen recorders with the Chrome extension desktop app, and you have the mobile app. The animated GIF is very powerful. 3 seconds to someone to want to click. So just think about when you hit record, what are you doing and what are you showing for that first 3 seconds? Make sure you have your hook in there, and that's that topic.
Hey, it's Darius, the co-founder of Dubb. Thank you so much for checking out this video. To get more trainings just like this, subscribe to this channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're happy to help. See you in the next one.